Okay, so continue on from our last video. So with this package, I just want to say thank you, first of all, to the guys at Supernova Studios. Such super special, awesome guys for helping our customers out and helping us out with some extra range to the product lines that we're offering now. Is the Ninja, locally branded Ninja airbrush, great workhorse. So yeah, I'm not even going to take it out of the bubble wrap, but I have bought one of my own.
Oh wow, you bought your own. Nice.
So these are Supernova's own locally made, well, locally branded airbrushes, and these are great. These are like 800 bucks, super cheap, but you know, it's like, oh, cheap airbrushes, you're thinking, oh, you know, well, how's the quality? But I've been using these Ninja airbrushes from Supernova for over a year myself. You know, this is my own. See, I've stuck on my my own stickers.
And put on his Supernova sticker.
Yeah, Supernova sticker. So, the great thing about these airbrushes, you know, you can't see it on camera, but they have a really good weight, balanced weight in the back. So it's not just tip heavy, it's very balanced, and it's a great workhorse. And then plus, cheap airbrushes, you generally don't get this extra dial.
It's got a Mac valve.
Yeah. So you can actually decrease or stop the airflow from here, you know, rather than.
That's really cool, especially if you want to do very fine spray, and you want to get like a certain kind of misting effect, and you don't want to accidentally like overshoot. So that's a quick, basically a Mac valve is a quick way to reduce the pressure from your airbrush. Yeah. I mean from your airbrush compressor.
And then I don't know if I kept it here. Yeah. The great thing about these airbrushes that they come with is also the manual, so you can see the parts.
Oh, those replacement washers.
Yeah. So
that's really nice.
Exactly. That's how nice
extra packing.
Supernova are. They come in with extra. I haven't even needed to use or swap out the washers. Also, they give you a quick release.
There's your
little coupler as well. And obviously there's a wrench, which is not in this box. I keep it at home.
Yeah.
So it's a very nice packaging as well. For 800 bucks, you know, it's great.
Guys, this is a great entry-level airbrush. I would even say that if you know how to look after it, it's a great workhorse airbrush for you, as in like the airbrush that you'll probably use for a while before you feel the need to upgrade. If you even feel the need to upgrade.
So me personally, I don't even feel I need to upgrade at this point. It's like, you know, it's entry price point, but it is a really great workhorse. And you know, if you're a good painter, you can make whatever tool work, you know?
That's it.
And obviously, you know, you can't have an airbrush on its own, so we got compressors, all the jazz.
We've got the hoses, we've got couplers.
We've got the airbrush cleaning parts. We also got the famous GPaint, the ultimate GPaint. Okay. I love the smell of them, you know.
Yeah, me too.
So I bought, you know, so we got 4 boxes of those, but I bought 1 box from home just to show you out the box what you get, because I don't want to damage. I have carefully inspected all the contents of the other boxes. So yeah, I even made sure the stickers are there, because you know everybody loves stickers. So what you get in the box is the thank you note from Justin, okay, of Studio G, that designed these paints, and stickers. Well, one of the stickers that's still left, because I used these other stickers already, and I bought one just to show off. Okay, so in each paint, what you get is you get like a little stopper first and seal. So what if you get a G paint and you shake it and you try and squeeze, like, hey, where's the paint? Why is it not coming out? You just got to keep.
You got to remove the seal first.
Remember to unscrew the lid and then remove the seal. Just remove it carefully, because they are very, as you can see, it's quite deep. So you know, if you like open it too, like, then you might spill the paint. So go carefully. I actually take a tweezer and just pull it out carefully. Yeah. Wow. Make sure every drop of paint is, you know, is money. So,
yeah, well, I feel you, man. And I mean, just so you know, I actually keep those in. So every time I use it, I pop them open, screw the cap, put the paint in. But that's me. I'm not saying people have to do that.
So for me, I just put it back in the box, and I keep the boxes as well. Yeah, because the packaging is really great. You know.
I love the packaging. Can I just take 2 seconds just to like just comment on the experience that you get from buying the GPaint line? I just want to wait for that to autofocus.
Yeah.
So the thing is, yeah, so GPaint, you get quite a nice experience. I mean, once you open the box, you get all of everything's individually packaged. You got this great like shininess. But the main thing is, this is a really great quality paint. In fact, Jeff and I like to use it mostly.
Yeah, so you know, if you've watched my Calgary Creations videos, I use GPaint quite a bit. You know, the ultimate GPaint is the version 2 GPaint that replaced the first release of GPaint. So why the version 2 is the version 2 of GPaint, it's still a lacquer based paint that's pre-thinned, so you know, really great for beginners. You just, you know, shake it up, twist the cap, and you squeeze it into airbrush directly or whatever, and you can paint straight away. But the difference about the version 2 or the ultimate GPaint is it's primerless. So you don't need to prime your kit beforehand. It's the paint itself already has primer properties. So I actually have done a review video where you can see the scratching resistance against, you know, hard things like
it's super durable.
Yeah, it's super durable. You know, I was so blown away by, there's no other paint, like even Mr. Color, well, Mr. Color don't have like primer properties. For all the brands that I've used, paints that I've used, they scratch off. But GPaint is just, it's crazy.
Shame.
It
guys,
blew my mind. Like, I don't even know how to describe it.
I don't want to be like those guys that are like, oh, every other paint is bad and this paint is great. Guys, lots of paints have lots of great characteristics. There's paints out there that are super durable. There's some that have great colors. Not all of them fit on. You know, sometimes you have to prep your surface a bit for paint, whatever. But I gotta say, guys, GPaint is super easy. It's really great for beginners. It's really great for pros, because what happens is, you know, when you want to just quickly paint something, you know, sometimes it's an effort to get out there, go and get your thinners, thin the paint to the right consistency, shoot it through the airbrush, get the right vibe that you want, and then finally hit the piece. The GPaint stuff, you can just shoot it straight into your airbrush, shoot it straight out into your kit, and it's happy days. The cool thing is it also self-levels, so you get a great smooth, shiny surface.
It's got a semi-matte finish,
Yeah, it depends on the paint and how you hit it. I mean, you can get a bit of a gloss finish out of it if you hit it quite hard, but then you're really relying on the self-leveling. But guys, ultimately, Jeff and I love this paint. It's a good paint. It's something that's quite special. It is quite special in our eyes. So we now stock it.
So even for me, like as an avid painter, I still like to use primers, because and I like to prime my kit beforehand, because it creates a blank canvas, you know, and you can see like blemishes or any scratch marks that I need to go over and go over, just sand properly. But having a paint product that doesn't require primer, it's even for like pros, it's like, oh, why would I bother? You know, I'm still going to prime my kit. But what if you run into a scenario where you finish your primers, or your favorite stores don't, you know, have stock of them? Then you're just going to sit for like a month or two waiting for primers to come back in stock. Well, if you have GPaint, you don't need to wait. You know, just you know, Justin, Studio G, you know, he designed this product almost for himself. You know, he's a YouTuber making videos constantly. He doesn't have time or the extra money to waste on primers if the shops or the suppliers don't have primers. So he said, you know, I see a gap in the market. Let me design a product that he just doesn't have to waste time and waste extra money, and you know, because he's on a deadline, you know, to make videos. So yeah, there's just.
So that's why Jeff and I endorse this stuff. It's great, great paint.
And we use it. We use it. And the great thing is, we also like list them out individually, so you don't have to buy the whole pack of 8. Exactly. So if you wanna just try one to see the magic of this primerless, scratch-resistant paint, try one bottle, and you'll be blown away.
Totally.
And not only that, we also got some great accessories to help you on your painting journey.
Yay, empty caps with shaker bottles.
Exactly, so if you're mixing your own colors, this is a great way to store them.
So guys, so now what happens is, when you want to come and buy your model kit, you can also get your airbrushes and compressors at the same time if you need to.
At the same time, at the same shipping cost, you know, get everything covered that you need.
Cool. And and then I just wanted to take 2 seconds. I just want to get Jeff and I here in selfie mode.
Cool.
Sweet. So we just want to say a huge thanks to Supernova for making this product available to our customers as well. Guys, thank you so much. That's super awesome of you. Now our Gunpla SA dudes can get their GPaint and their kits and stuff all at the same time. And guys, for our Build Force, if you haven't checked them out yet, please go and check out supernova.com. The link to their store will be in the description below. It's a place where both Jeff and myself love to get a lot of our model supplies from. Our
like paints,
weathering
tools,
stuff. They even have some cool books and everything on model building. Go and check them out. We love them. We think you're going to love them too. So yeah, and once again, Supernova, thank you so much for all of this. And yeah, and with that, remember to keep
building joy. Yeah. Bye, guys.